Na-experience niyo po ba yan na natatakot kayo? So ito yung time management monster that you have to deal with is yung kapag ka natatakot kang mag-submit ng hindi perfect na report, no? So, magandang maganda yung trabaho mo, pero it's late. Meron akong isang staff dati, pinagawa ko siya ng ticket para sa Christmas party. Yung ticket na yon ay pipilasin, tapos ibibigay yung stamp sa employee, no? And it took him a week to do that, ano? At pagkakagawa naman nung Christmas party stamp ay napakaganda. Unfortunately, sa tagal ng oras na ginugol niya doon sa trabaho na yon, he could have done a lot of other things, no? So, yun kung minsan ang nagiging problema is we fail to recognize what is required. So we always give our 100%. That's not necessarily bad, but if it is done and in the process nako-compromise yung ibang trabaho, then it's not very ideal. So that's your first time management monster.